I'm here now with Magdalena, our Vice President and Head of Business Development. Magdalena, welcome.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, I'm sure a big question a lot of people have is, do I need to move to Ohio to be a part of the Forge Biologics team?
Yeah, so I haven't moved, but in my line of work, I don't need to be in the lab. So I would say, for example, if your job is making the actual cell culture and developing these drugs, then you probably need to be here.
Right.
But if you're more on the business side or the operations side or finance side, Zoom works really well, Teams works really well, and you sort of build that rapport online and in person every other week or so.
There's always opportunity for more growth, regardless of how accomplished we are. Can you speak a little bit to the opportunities here at Forge and the development of the people internally?
Yeah, so we actually take great pride in making sure we develop people, right? I think the next generation, what they bring is this new passion and this new energy and this new sort of next generation mental approach, because they've been brought up on all these computers, right? And I think when you're able to mix all of this and you're like, wow, like I'm able to contribute so much. It's a dual approach. Like, we're learning from you, you're learning from us, but we're all growing together, and we'll invest in you because we know you're the next generation that's going to get us there. So yeah, we take great pride in that.
My experience here has been that everybody here is very positive and encouraging and not afraid of others developing and getting better, but really creating an environment of nurturing and building up people's careers. So,
no, and I agree. I fully agree.
Yeah. And it's great to know there's opportunities like that out there and to reach out. And sometimes if you don't think you're the perfect fit, just reach out anyway.
Yeah.
If you feel drawn on some level to what it is that we're doing here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to give us a peek behind the curtains into what it's like to work here at Forge.
Yeah, no, I appreciate the time.
Yeah. Well, for all of you watching, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at the link below. And I guess that leaves one last question. You in?